Hello everybody. Just a short little video here to support your heart, the beautiful rhythm keeper in the center of your chest. We're going to relieve any stress, anxiety, and shock that may be stuck there. Begin by placing your hands over your heart. Take a big breath in and make the sound that relieves stress out of the heart. Ha! Big sigh. Breathing in. Ha! Nice big breath in. You allow this stress, anxiety, and shock to leave as dirty gray smoke. Supporting your beautiful heart. And then rubbing the heart, supporting this heart, sending love into your heart, and pausing as we place your hands on your knees and just rest and acknowledge the beautiful energy of your beautiful heart.